We surveyed hundreds of security, IT, risk management, and compliance professionals about their legacy web forms. 88% experienced security incidents in the past 2 years. 44% suffered confirmed data breaches through form submissions. Organizations rated their security as advanced, but their forms told a different story. Legacy forms, mobile flows, and embedded forms sit outside central security controls. Attackers know exactly where to look. Part of the problem is that 85% now call data sovereignty critical. Government demands data stays in country. Financial services juggles GDPR and PCI across regions. Healthcare manages HIPAA and state privacy laws. But most form vendors can't prove where your data lives. And when auditors show up, organizations scramble. 72% say preparing for audits takes weeks of manual work. They can't prove where data was stored, who accessed it, or whether controls stayed in place. Kiteworks Secure Data Forms was built for this reality. FedRAMP High-Ready Authorization, FIPS 140-3 Validated Encryption, deploy in specific regions to guarantee data residency, automated compliance monitoring across GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI. This is what secure data forms look like. The market is moving from vulnerable web forms to secure data forms. Learn how Kiteworks protects what matters at kiteworks.com/secure data forms. If it's private, kite it.